Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. And Happy New Year! First one of the year, I've had lots of requests for this one. How to draw a Labrador. Isn't he a cutie? Okay, so you're going to need a pencil, an eraser and a black pen of your choice. And if you enjoy drawing animals, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping, which you can find just here. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to start off with the first circle, which is going to be the body of the dog. So just very lightly in pencil, just draw a nice big circle like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want to draw around something, that's absolutely fine. Just a big circle like that. Now we're going to draw a slightly smaller circle just to the right hand side of this one up the top. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Something a little bit like that. Now, next we're going to be doing a triangle, just coming out in this direction. So from the top of this circle, just draw a triangle coming out like this. Okay, now we're going to be drawing another triangle. So from this point here, we're going to be doing a triangle just coming down like this. Something like this. Okay, you got it. Okay, from this one we're going to be doing the leg coming down. Just like that. I'm going to draw the front leg as well. So just around about here, just draw a line going straight down and hitting the ground roughly about the same distance down as that one. Okay, and then the other front leg. This has got like a little bit of a kink in it. Just like that. Okie doke, so next we're going to be doing the other hind leg. So like another triangle, just peeping out behind like that. Can follow it round. Just like that. And then the tail. Like that. Now for the head, I'd like you to draw a line, just a curved line, just like that. We're going to be doing another one. So about here, there's going to be another curved line. And the reason for this is because the dog's head is looking upwards in this direction, if you can imagine that. So this is where the eyes are going to be on this line. So I'm just going to kind of pencil them in. And then I'm just going to roughly draw where the muzzle's going to be. So if you just draw a shape like that on the end. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to be doing a bit more detail. So get your pencil, and still quite lightly because we're going to rub this all out and then finish off in pen. We're going to draw the ear. So it comes down there and the ear kind of starts here and it comes all the way around like that. Okay, and then we'll just draw in the nose at the end. We'll do this in more detail when we've got the pen, but I'm just filling it in for the time being, just so you know where it's going to go. And then the mouth. And then the lower lip. Hope you can see this. I'm just going to rub out a little bit the eraser so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. And then the neck is going to come down here. Just like that. And then like another flap of skin on the other side. Comes down. Labradors are quite stocky, so Nice big thick chunky legs. And then the cute paw. There we go. And then just carry on with the leg going up. Don't do the legs too thin. And then we're going to do the other side. So this leg kind of starts off up here, comes down, comes in front of the line that we drew before, and then we're going to just draw some paw. Here's the paw. There we go. And it comes back up on the other side of that line that we drew first. Okay. If I'm going too fast for you, don't forget you can pause the video, rewind it, go over the last couple of steps and catch up. There's absolutely no harm in doing that. It's better to go at your own pace. Okay, so we're getting the front of the dog done quite quickly. Next, we're going to do the back. So, following this line, it's going to go all the way down. There we go. All the way to the back, and then I'm going to start off with the hind leg. So we just need to follow this line round. Again, we're going to draw the paw, just like that. We're going to come on this side of the line, all the way up. Way up to here. Now here we're just going to cross over, just like so, and then we're going to come round and it's going to join the front part of the body. Okay, I hope you're with me. Now we're going to do the other back leg. So this one has quite a steep curve, comes all the way down. And then we've got the paw, comes back up again on the other side of the line that we drew earlier, and goes round. We've got really strong muscly legs. There we go. Okay, now all that's left is the tail. So just bring it around. Like so. Okay, so now I'm going to speed things up. I'm going to rub out all the preparatory lines and I'm going to go over the top in pen. Here's your finished Labrador drawing. I've rubbed out all the pencil lines, so you're just left with the pen lines. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.